Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to set miscellaneous notifications to silent for Snapchat on your Android device. If you find yourself getting too many unwanted alert sounds from Snapchat, especially from those less important notifications, this guide will help you quiet them down without missing out on the essentials. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is the gear icon you usually find on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps, or sometimes it may appear as Applications depending on your device's manufacturer. Tap on Apps, and from the list of installed applications, locate and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific settings where you can control permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you get a detailed look at how Snapchat organizes its alerts. To fine-tune these notifications, look for an option called Notification Categories. This is where notifications are grouped by their purpose or source within the app. When you tap on Notification Categories, you'll see a list including things like friend requests, messages, and miscellaneous notifications. Select Miscellaneous from this list. This category usually covers notifications that aren't part of the main Snapchat alerts, but still make sounds or pop up on your device. Once you're in the Miscellaneous Notification settings, you'll find options for how these alerts behave. Choose the silent option to mute all sounds for these notifications. This means you'll still receive these notifications visually on your phone, but without any noise or vibration disrupting you. And that's it. By following these simple steps, going through Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Notifications, Notification Categories, Miscellaneous, and finally setting it to silent, you'll manage to keep your phone quieter without completely turning off Snapchat notifications. It's a perfect way to stay connected without the constant buzz. Remember, these steps are updated and should work on most modern Android devices. If your phone's menus look slightly different, just look for similar wording. It's generally the same process. Thanks for watching.